Hello everyone, in this lecture, decreolization is defined and explained with its characteristics and examples. But, if you're new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. It can be defined as: decreolization refers to the process in which a Creole language undergoes changes that make it more similar to its lexifier language. What does it mean? Simply, it means that decreolization is nothing but it refers to the process in which a Creole language becomes like a lexifier language. As you know a Creole language. If you don't know, let me tell you in simple words, a Creole refers to a stable language that has developed from a mixture of different languages. If the speakers of one language and the speakers of another language come into contact and for a communication they mix both languages. So, with the passage of time their children are born and they acquire the mixed language. So, their language is called a Creole. As you have understood a Creole, so, there must be a question in your mind that what a lexifier language is. So, a lexifier language refers to the language that provides the majority of the vocabulary and the primary source for lexical items in the development of a Creole. Simply, you can say, a Creole language is made of many languages, but among these languages there must be a language, for example a French language, which has the greatest influence on the Creole language. Like, there must be more vocabulary of French language, and sentence structures will also be to some extent similar to the French language. So, this French language is called lexifier language. You can say the language which has the most influence on Creole language is called lexifier language. So, now you are able to understand the concept of decreolization. So, decreolization refers to the process by which a Creole language becomes more similar to a language that has the most influence on it. Or, the language which we have called it lexifier language will absorb it. In other words, you can say, a Creole language undergoes changes that move it closer to one of its lexifier languages, typically the one that provided most of its vocabulary. So, when a Creole language becomes like a language which has provided more materials like vocabulary, sentence structures, etc. So this process is called decreolization. If you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.